Look at the mess. I am going to clean all this. Look at this.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, it's a good morning for me. Anyways, again I am going at my sister's working place. It's going to be a final touch of the house, so I will show. It's going to be the last working day, and they will probably shift by this week. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and keep watching the video. It's gonna be interesting. So yeah, see you. I'm on my way to her place. Hello people, get up. Let's go. Go now. Guys, we are moving to the working place. Come. Chalo, let's go. Come fast. At the basket. It's very heavy. Oh no. If I need you. Bhares na ito cookers. Ma. You sit and hold it. Hold it. So guys, look at this. Everything is done. Just a small touch is needed. Look at the ceiling. It's good, huh? Okay. But look at the mess. We're going to clean all this by today. Let's prepare a cooking place. Chalo. They are trying to make fire. Kuya, pusing ka na. Ako ba? Aspa pala. Please. Oh! Push na. Ayan, mapujunin mo dati. Very hot, guys. I am cooking and they are working. After I am done with the cooking, I will also start with the work. My nose. I am drinking Coke. So guys, I am done with the cooking. Now I will also help them. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. The shifting day, all the packings are done. Wow! Okay, today is the shifting day, all the packings are done. Wow! Come to Saride. No, bo. Oh, packing is going on. Hoishe. Oh. So guys, we are going to shift today. This is the shifting day. Opening day. Wow. Aya, gor musu lagi udah. Hoi. Okay, kitchen is done. Clean up kuro lagi bo. Guys, I am going to do cooking. Ifo daw. Daw. Asta. Okay. There is no place for me to cut the meat, so I'm going to adjust. Oh my, dust. I am done with cutting the meat and washing it. Now I will start cooking. Guys, it's very tiring shifting the house. Nothing is here. Everything is so empty at the moment. They are going to bring all the stuffs. And here I am cooking. Okay, whenever I come here, I used to become the chef. Anyways, keep watching, guys. Look at this mess. I'm cooking right now, and then yeah, nothing to say. Guys, cleaning is not done, so please don't judge, okay? Look at the mess. Look at the mess. It will take time to clean everything. Look at the come to Savita.
Yung idea niya eh.
Bishi. I was thinking to do something, okay? I forgot. I will make tea, drink, and then yeah. Guys, all the things are here now. I think they will go for one more round. Curry, it's half done, okay? And I am making tea. Look at my curry. I know it's red, okay? But in the camera, it's not looking red. Look at the color of my tea, okay? It's like milk. Actually, there is no chapati. Actually, guys, my sister and my brother-in-law, they are working there and I am working here. I am actually cooking and looking after the workers, okay? So yeah guys, stay tuned and keep watching the video. From the window, I don't want to disturb them. So yeah, they are unloading the stuffs. And the mess. Oh. Coco and Kitty is back. Meow. Coco and Kitty. Ayah itu tuh plastik itu dipotong. Yeah, wrong timing. I want to drink this Fanta. This is my favorite. Okay, guys. Number Fanta. Này, tay chân cái bạn chỉ sẽ tay chân cái khẩu của xin. Cái này bạn tay chân cái tay chân cái này. Red tanya này phát cấp red color. Look at my curry. Here I'm going to fry dal. And my dal is ready. See, this is also yellow in color, but I don't know, the camera is not capturing. Guys, I'm really feeling hungry after testing the color. But I have to wait for them. So I will adjust with this. Huh?
A few moments later.
Hoi hoi.
घोड़े किचन किचन लग रहा है तो एक किचन दीदी पावला था
घोड़े किचन ला काम न करे
किचन आने किचन दीदी पाया था
Yes, I am back. Look at the mess. I am going to clean all this. Cook. Time. Let's start the work again.
Almost done. Now I will cook again. Chicken again. Chicken again.
Ja,
Just arranging the flowers. Oh. Guys, look at the mess. Ah! Chef is roaming here and there for now.
मुझे है ये स्टूडेंट पावर का और तुम जानते हो हर एक स्टूडेंट गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर नहीं बनता लेकिन हर गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर स्टूडेंट जरूर होता है देखो बच्चों को हाथ दिखाना जोड़ो
What are you doing?